Preheating. Enter the temperature setting page to set the preheating temperature. The factory default preheating temperature is 400 C, which can be customized according to actual production requirements. Save the setting after modification. Return to the main interface and start preheating. The furnace door can be opened or closed during preheating. The main screen displays the preheating process in real time. After preheating, manually start the sintering program. The heating system skips the low temperature heating phase and heats up directly from preheating temperatures, with the preheating duration automatically deducted by the system. After sintering completes and the furnace door is fully opened, the device will automatically activate preheating once the internal furnace temperature drops to the preset preheating value. Manually turn off preheating if it is no longer required.